Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to talk about converting some of your project files to MP3. And in version 8 of Camtasia, which is what you're seeing on your screen, you're looking at the batch production. And what we're going to do is we're just going to grab some files here. And we're going to go through this process. And we're going to go and look at one particular preset, which is the Mp3 preset. And it used to be that you could do just this, which is to convert. We're not going to go through this entire process, but you could convert a video using Camtasia to Mp3. Now we're going to go to Camtasia 9. That feature no longer exists. So you can no longer use your batch to convert multiple videos into multiple MP3s. The other thing is that when you want to convert a file, you can export an audio to a WAV file or to an M4A file. But again, you cannot do this during a batch. Now, the only format that you can actually use during a batch, we're going to show you this. We're just going to go through this process. And if we were to look for a particular preset, we have one set up for new M4A audio. So we can actually run a batch job for M4A audio, but that's the only audio that we can run a batch for. So the way to convert multiple files at the same time is to bring them into your iTunes account. Now, if you don't have iTunes, iTunes is free in order to download to your hard drive. And once you actually have these files in a certain playlist, you can then highlight them all and you can then create an MP3 version. So the process is a little more indirect. You're going to have to batch produce M4A files. You're going to pull those M4A files into iTunes, and then you're going to bulk turn them into MP3 versions just by highlighting them all and then clicking Create MP3 Versions. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.